Alright, got a watch to unbox here today. Return of the Pink Featherman here as I'm back on the island. Came up to fuel my boat up before I go off to work. Figured while I'm up here I might as well unbox this watch that was delivered to my parents' house last night. Just for, I don't know what SW is. It's a ball box. And look at that. Same watch I'm wearing. This watch I got because I wanted it, but I hadn't gotten it yet. And this one I just took into it on a trade because it made sense to even up some value. So, one of these will be certainly subject to trade whenever something good comes my way. There's some spare links and the hang tag. GM 1038 S10JWH. And the warranty card. That's it. I actually do like this watch. I've seen one comment of a guy who really dislikes this watch, but you know, doesn't care for the lack of water resistance. It's only a 30-meter resistant watch, so I can understand that being a concern, but I don't typically take my watches swimming, so it's not a terribly big deal to me. I'm going to guess with 3 extra links this is nowhere near my size. Oh yeah, I can't even get it over my hand.